Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked potato slices. So let's get toasting. These potatoes are kind of small, so I'm doing 4 of them, but you can do as many as you want. So I already washed these off. Then I just cut it down the middle like that, and then turn it on the side like that. And then do about maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 slices on each side. Kind of like that. Turn it around, do that side. And there you got it. If you have bigger ones, you might want to, cut them in half this way. But these are pretty small, so I'll just leave them like this. Okay. So about like that. Then you got slices about like that. So I'm just going to do these other 3, and we'll get them into the pan. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so I'm going to use that, but you could use a baking tray or sheet as well. And I put just a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil you want. So just a little bit, maybe about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon. And then I'm seasoning them with some kosher salt. And I'm going to use Johnny's seasoned pepper, but you can season them any way you want. Johnny's seasoned pepper has besides the pepper, sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. And I have tried cooking these without any oil at all, just to, because it's less calories, but they seem to turn out a little bit better with just a little bit of oil on them. Kind of helps the seasoning stick and kind of keeps them from sticking to the pan. Alright, so those are pretty well mixed up. Looks good. Now we'll get those into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I set the timer for 35 minutes. This oven preheats for 10 minutes before the timer starts, I think, so they'll be in there about 45 minutes. And I just let them cook. I usually don't mess with them. My timer just went off, so let's see how these look. Those look nice. Let's get them out of there. I like green onion a lot, so once I pulled them out, I put some green onion on top there. Another thing you can do that I didn't do here is you can crack a couple eggs on top and then put it back in. I've done that quite a few times. Makes a good breakfast that way, but I haven't been eating as many eggs lately. Anyway, let's try one of these out. I actually sprinkled a little bit of cayenne pepper on top too to give it a little bit of heat. These are good. I make these all the time. People are always hating on potatoes, but I eat a lot of potatoes. Look who showed up. I'm not sure if Annie likes potatoes that much or not, but we'll see. You gonna eat the potato? You don't like potatoes? I think she's shunning the potato. That might be a first. She never shuns anything. Well, she'll take it out of my hand and eat it though. So there you go. I eat these all the time as a snack or a side dish. And a 5-pound bag of potatoes is only $1.49 around here. And I actually noticed that I lose weight when I eat a lot of potatoes because they're so bulky. I just don't put a bunch of fats on top of them. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.